Hey everyone, welcome back to Bliss. If you're new here, we share educational health and wellness videos every day. And today we're talking about how to achieve that flawless, glowing glass skin that everyone's been raving about. It's that smooth, luminous, almost translucent skin that looks like it's been professionally airbrushed. So if you've been dreaming of dewy, glass-like skin, keep watching because I'm going to share my step-by-step skincare routine with tips and products that actually work. Let's dive right in. First things first, you've got to start with a good cleanser. But listen, I'm not talking about anything harsh or drying here. Glass skin starts with clean, hydrated skin, and a gentle cleanser is essential for that. You want something that removes dirt and makeup, but without stripping your skin of its natural oils. I love gel-based cleansers with ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid, which keep your skin hydrated while cleansing. Make sure to massage it in for about 30 seconds. This helps improve circulation and gives you a nice fresh base to work with. You don't need anything too foamy or abrasive, just a gentle touch and you're good to go. Now, if you wear makeup or sunscreen, you might want to do what's called double cleansing. This simply means cleansing twice, but with two different products. First, an oil-based cleanser to break down all that makeup and SPF, and then your regular gentle cleanser. Oil cleansers are great because they melt away makeup and sunscreen without disrupting the skin's moisture barrier. If you're someone who wears a lot of makeup, this is a must. Next up, exfoliation. Now, you don't want to over-exfoliate, but regular exfoliation is key to achieving that smooth, radiant glass skin. By sloughing off dead skin cells, you reveal fresh, glowing skin underneath. I recommend using gentle chemical exfoliants, things like AHAs and BHAs, because they don't irritate the skin like physical scrubs can. A product like this glycolic acid toner will exfoliate your skin without being too abrasive. Start with exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week and gradually build it up as your skin gets used to it. Okay, now it's time to hydrate. Glass skin is all about that dewy, plump texture, so after cleansing and exfoliating, you want to add moisture back into your skin. Toners or essences are perfect for this step because they not only balance your skin's pH, but also add an extra layer of hydration. I like to use a hydrating toner with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. You can use a cotton pad or just pat it in with your hands. Either way, just make sure to give your skin that extra hydration boost. After hydrating, it's time for serums. Serums are super concentrated, so they're great for targeting specific skin concerns. For that glass skin glow, I love using a brightening serum with vitamin C in the morning to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it also helps protect your skin from environmental damage. At night, I switch it up with a hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid to keep my skin plump and bouncy. Now let's lock in all that goodness with a good moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, you need a moisturizer that keeps your skin hydrated without feeling heavy. I recommend using something lightweight, like a gel-based moisturizer. Don't skip this step, you guys. Hydration is key to that radiant, glass-like finish. Even if your skin is oily, a lightweight moisturizer helps maintain your skin's natural barrier and prevents dehydration. And finally, never, I repeat, never, skip sunscreen. Sun protection is one of the most important steps in any skincare routine, especially if you want to maintain that glass skin glow long-term. UV rays cause premature aging, dark spots, and can make your skin look dull, so sunscreen is an absolute must. Go for a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30, and make sure to reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. I prefer mineral sunscreens because they're gentle on the skin, but choose whichever works best for you. Okay, so here are a few bonus tips for you guys. First, face massages are a game changer. A gentle facial massage can improve circulation and help your skincare products absorb better, giving you that extra glow. Second, consider adding niacinamide into your routine. It's amazing for improving skin texture and reducing redness. You'll notice smoother, clearer skin with regular use. And don't forget, your skin also reflects what's going on inside your body. Drink plenty of water, eat antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts, and make sure to get enough sleep. A healthy lifestyle is just as important as skincare when it comes to achieving glowing skin. So, there you have it. Your step-by-step guide to achieving that coveted glass skin. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with this routine, be patient, and I promise you'll start seeing results. If you've tried any of these steps or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health and skincare tips.